Hello, in this video we are going to install Question2Answer on Cloudpanel. So let's get started. The first you need to add your site by clicking here sites plus add a site. You need to create a PHP site here. Select generic because Question2Answer is not available here to install. Then select generic in applications. Add your website name. Set up your site user. Okay. Then click on create. How to point this domain? You can add an A record to this IP address. Create. The website is added on your cloud panel. The first we need to set up SSL from here. Create and install the SSL TLS certificate. Okay. Let us download the question to answer from here on question to answer's official website. So, uh, SSL TLS will take some time to install the SSL certificate. So a certificate has been installed. The first we need to go file manager, htdocs, inside site, delete this file, upload our downloaded file, which we downloaded from question to answer. Upload file, open. Then we need to extract this, extract. We need to move all this in the main directory. We will move all this in the main directory. We have to set up an database too. From here, databases. Add a database. Name your database. Add database. Okay. Now we need to go to file manager again and we will set up the config file qa-config, this file. Okay, so the host will be same or you can change it to localhost. Then we will write our username, password for the database and database name here. We will save this file. We will rename this file to qa-config. Rename. Now we will go to the website and set up the database including user management. So we need to set up the administrator, admin, password 1234, email address. You can write your email address. Set up the super administrator. Okay, here again. Okay, so two, three. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go to administrator. So we can also make this URL pretty by checking this option. So for that we need to set up in our htaccess file or nginx config file. So here is we have vhost here on the cloud panel. We will go to vhost and set up our vhost file. Okay, so for that we need to go to. Mhm. So this is a blog article where from where you can get this config file. Control C, and you will be able to see here index.html. So we will be adding that file here and save. Now the option will be available. Uh, okay, okay, you can see here. Okay, the first we need to select this and save options. Now you are able to use this pretty well. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you.